You are going to love 2015 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, mini spare tire, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Inside you'll find smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, lane departure warning, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.